Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Diagnosis. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to increase your chances of getting pregnant faster even within your most fertile day. If you've been trying to conceive, this video will give you clear, science-based guidance to help you make the most of your body's natural cycle. Let's start with something very important. Timing. Every woman has a fertility window, and this is the few days leading up to and including ovulation, when an egg is released from the ovary. The best time to try for pregnancy is about 2 days before ovulation and on the day of ovulation itself. That means if you can track when you're ovulating, you can greatly increase your chances of conceiving. To know your ovulation day, you can track your menstrual cycle. For most women, ovulation happens around 14 days before the next period, but this can vary, so it's best to use ovulation predictor kits, check changes in cervical mucus, or monitor your basal body temperature daily. When you notice a slippery, egg white-like discharge, that's your body's signal that you're fertile. Once you identify that window, plan intimacy during those days. Having intercourse once every 1 to 2 days during your fertile window helps ensure that sperm are available when the egg is released. Sperm can live inside the female body for up to 5 days, so having sex before ovulation increases your chances even more. Another key factor is overall health. Both partners should maintain a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Foods high in folic acid, zinc, and vitamin E are great for fertility. Staying hydrated, avoiding excessive caffeine, alcohol, and smoking also supports better reproductive health. For women, maintaining a healthy body weight matters. Being underweight or overweight can affect hormone levels and disrupt ovulation. For men, avoiding tight clothing and keeping body temperature balanced can improve sperm quality. Both partners should try to get enough sleep and manage stress, as high stress levels can affect hormones that control ovulation and sperm production. Positioning during or after intercourse isn't scientifically proven to make a big difference, but lying down for about 10 to 15 minutes after sex may help sperm travel more easily toward the egg. What really matters most is timing and health. If you have been on birth control recently, give your body a bit of time to restore its natural rhythm. Some women ovulate right away, but for others it might take a few weeks. Patience and understanding your body are key. There are also natural supplements that can support fertility, such as folic acid, vitamin D, omega-3, and CoQ10, but it's always best to talk to a healthcare provider before starting any supplement. The same goes for herbal remedies, as some can help balance hormones, but they should be taken carefully under guidance. And here's something that many couples overlook: male fertility is just as important. Healthy sperm depend on good nutrition, hydration, avoiding smoking or alcohol, and managing heat around the groin area. Men should also take regular breaks from long sitting periods and limit the use of hot tubs or saunas. Finally, remember that conceiving is a natural process, and even when everything is perfect, it can take a few cycles. Staying positive, relaxed, and emotionally connected with your partner makes the journey easier and more successful. Stress and pressure can sometimes delay results, so enjoy the process and support each other. So, while there's no guaranteed way to become pregnant in one single day, understanding your body's fertility signals and optimizing your timing gives you the best possible chance to conceive quickly and naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Diagnosis for more health and wellness tips. Comment below if you have any questions or want us to make a video about a specific fertility topic. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best on your journey to parenthood.